Hows. We're back on a very cold February day with, as you can see, snow. And today I've come to Tarn Hows to take in the views. Let's go and have a look. Tarn Hows is actually a man-made lake made by damming the stream and flooding three smaller tarns called Low Tarn, Middle Tarn and, imaginatively enough, High Tarn. Tarn Hows is one of the most visited areas of the lakes, with an easily accessible circular walk of about 2 miles. As we film, storms Dudley, Eunice and Franklin have just passed, leaving a trail of fallen trees behind them. Cracking view of Weatherland from here. Tarn Hows is particularly popular because it's very accessible. The nice path that goes all the way around the lake. It's been a windy old time, and you can tell it's taken its toll on the trees. This is Hale. From here there's a path that goes off right to Hawkshead, which I presume is back there, or down into Skelwith Bridge and the Langdales. We're going to carry on round the lake, although it's not especially clear from this signpost. The path that actually goes all the way around the lake goes straight on at this point. You can go down to the left, but it is a little boggier, and certainly in terms of access and accessibility, the main footpath goes straight on. So for prams and wheelchairs, stay straight on here. Hello, Robin. A lot more trees down on this side. Wow, it's tree carnage around here. Not all trees, of course, have come down in the last week or two. This is one of the famous coin trees, or wishing trees, where people have hammered in coins. This one is so famous it's even got its own Wikipedia entry. It's an interesting tradition, but the National Trust try not to encourage it too much. Whatever you do, please don't put them into living trees. Glorious day. So there you go, that's the anti-clockwise walk around Tarn Hows. Roughly 1.5, 2 miles, depending on who you speak to. You don't have to do it anti-clockwise, of course, and the clockwise route looks like this. And ending, appropriately enough, with a little flurry of snow. That's about it from me. Thank you very much for watching, if indeed you still are. If you've enjoyed this, do please like and subscribe. Join us once again, hopefully, for another walk in the Lake District. Stay safe.